Hello everybody, this is Gavin the Fire Alarm Siren Guy, and as you can see, all my wheelock fire alarms is I'm doing a wheelock fire alarm collection. And I know I don't have much, but I'm just gonna go through them and talk about each individual alarm. Alright, I do plan on making a full-out fire alarm collection video, but I want to wait until I get more devices. But the collection has grown a lot, and it's gonna keep growing as fire alarms have been a huge part of me since March of 2015. More on that later. Alright, we'll start off with the E70 speaker strobe, the wheelock E70. There's also a wheelock E60. Which I'll put a picture up right here. I think that's what it's called. I don't fully remember. I'm pretty sure it was a wheelock E60. Okay. This one is fixed candela. It is set to 30 candela. And it is 4-wire because it's really nice. One goes to the speaker, 2 wires go to the speaker, and 2 wires go to the strobe. I just need to get audio input for this guy. But those are awesome. Next up is this one. The wheelock MT. Those are one of the older ones from the 90s. Those are very awesome. Great for collection purposes. This one has no candela setting. I have a feeling that there used to have been a sticker here. All is left is just a residue. That might have been the candela sticker, I'm not sure. Alright. Here's the back of the device. 4 wires. 2 wires go to the horn and 2 wires go to the strobe. I think these 2 go to the strobe right here, and this one goes to the horn. And this is where you change your settings. Those are what these alarms are known for the different settings that they have. And my favorite is being March time. I have wired this guy up before. And I'll do a different... hold on. I'll put in a link of me demonstrating the 8 tones of this alarm. I think it was 8 tones. I could be wrong. I don't fully remember. Alright, but those are very awesome alarms. Alright, next up is the wheelock NS. Those are pretty good alarms, even though they're a little bit cheap. You have to use a screwdriver I don't know. You have to use a screwdriver to take the cover off and mount her. But and when I was playing with this with a screwdriver, I kind of messed it up right here because I'm an idiot. But the device, the cover still stays on just fine. I don't really like when alarms have to be. Hold on. What's the word I'm searching for? I do not want to stick a flat screwdriver in my fire alarms to take the covers off, the mounting brackets off of them. Because of something like that. I don't like that. I wish I could just use a drywall screwdriver. It would have been a hell of a lot easier. Right, and as you see right here, 30 candela. And this is where you change the candela. I'm not sure what you do for the different tone. What I do is, I think it's these under there. Why are they all? Which is going to be quite challenging to change the different tones. I could be wrong though. Okay, but I'm gonna stop saying that, okay. Next is the newer version of the NS, the Exceda. I personally like these better. Those are actually my favorite wheelock device. They had these at my school, which, speaking of which, we also had a fire drill at my school today. And we got the mounting bracket, which I'm not going to take off because of that. Because I don't want to damage the device. But I do plan on hooking this thing up one day. And it's currently on, I don't know, 135 candela. Those are awesome. Next up is the wheelock AS. A lot of people, a lot of enthusiasts absolutely despise this alarm, but I absolutely love these alarms because, mainly because this is the alarm that I've grown up with. Those were in one of my elementary schools and my middle school, and the alarm that I got to set off at my middle school 6 times. And I forgot to mention with the Exceda that this is a free-wire device. I don't know how free-wire alarms work. Please let me know in the comments below. Alright, there's the mounting bracket. Very easy to take off, unlike these two right here. Okay, but anyway, this is where you select the volume setting. I currently had it set to medium volume because I'm not willing to go on high volume because I don't want my neighbors complaining. And this is where you either select code free or continuous. I have it on code free, is that is its default tone. And this is the device from the 90s. So this does not have the Cadellus selection, unlike the newer ASs. I want to get a newer AS that had the Cadellus setting. And, you know, those are not as loud, but the newer ones are louder. I kind of like the newer ones better. But either way, the wheelock ASs are very awesome alarms. And I don't know what else to say. But anyway, awesome alarm. Lastly, we got the oldest wheelock alarm that I have, the wheelock 7002T. Those are very awesome alarms. The first fire alarm video that I ever watched on YouTube. And the first alarm that I heard on YouTube was this. Was this. I'm getting very stupid with my words. I know I said that a million times. But anyway, those are awesome. Even though they're old and they're not very uncommon. They're very uncommon. Well, at least they are starting to. But I have seen them around. I've seen them out in the field before. My summer school had these. And oh yeah, the first fire alarm video I ever watched on YouTube, like I said, had these, and I think that video might have been removed. If it was still there, I would have linked it. It had such a beautiful sound. But you probably know what video I'm talking about if you have been in the community longer than I have been. Like I said in the beginning, I had started becoming a fire alarm enthusiast in March of 2015. So, yeah. Very awesome alarms. Okay. Kind of a difficult video to make, but I'm done with it. So anyway, I might be getting a new device soon. I'll talk to my parents about it later. Okay, so anyway, that is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.